Hey guys, JJ here. Welcome back to our live trade room. Hope you guys had a great Thursday morning. Hope you're enjoying the slop and chop of the end of the month of August. Boy, we're all excited to get to the summertime, but I want to start going over some of the trades that I'm looking for in the future. You know, in my experience online, everybody likes to talk about what happened in the past. I thought, you know what? It'd be a great value to my students, and it might, of course, help you make some money out there without being a student of mine. Let's take a look at what Crude's doing right now. Now, Crude has been a sleeper all morning, hasn't it? In fact, it wasn't until about noontime today that we actually got that drop off that wedge. We were very excited to see that price wedge get tested earlier this morning, and we were able to short the high of that wedge. So we had some pretty good opportunities in here today, trading inside of that wedge earlier on this morning. It was, again, very, very slow today, but I want to talk about briefly here one of the trades that I'm watching today on Crude. This is a little bit longer term trade, and this one, of course, is setting up here using a combination of two things. First of all, I have a bear channel, and you can probably see that channel. It's pretty easy. You can see it about a mile away, right? Lower highs, higher lows, relatively easy channel to spot. That's the first clue. Whenever we have a bear channel, we know the best trades are going to occur selling the highs, right? So that's what I'm looking for right now. And then conveniently, look at this. We have a wonderful opportunity to sell short at 105.24. We talked about this morning on the morning prep at 7:30. Don't forget, you can go to our blog or our YouTube page and get a copy of that morning prep every morning. But we were talking about this 105.24. Members, this is my trigger zone number 1, and that's my trigger zone number 2, right? So that all of our members out there know exactly what I'm referring to. So here's the plan. It's pretty simple. I'm going to be watching this going into the end of the day today. We might be able to get this after hours as well, but we're going to look to test the highs of that channel. I'm going to wait to see the reaction, and then I'm looking to sell short. Ideally, what I'd actually like to see is, and I know this may not sound like the best scenario, but the best scenario would be to see price go right up, almost get all the way to 76, and then collapse. That, honestly, would be the best scenario. You know why? Because when we see stuff like that happen, people tighten up. If you're long, they tighten up their stops, and what will happen is if we get all the buyers stopped out, guess what happens when the buyers get stopped out? They execute those sell orders into the market, and we should be able to get a nice, easy short off the highs of that channel. Now, if we keep pushing right through it, I will also be looking for another short up around 106.23. Okay, so keep that in mind. But in the short term, though, right now, I'm looking to sell short once we test that bear channel and that 105.24. All righty? You heard it here first, guys. Check back with me tomorrow. We'll update you on how this trade worked out, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in our live trade room, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, every day, Monday through Friday. Have yourselves a great August afternoon. Catch you guys next time. Adios, amigos. Bye-bye for now.